Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you work, the wealth you deserve always seems just out of reach? You've been told that success is all about hard work, financial planning, and maybe even luck. But what if I told you there's a much simpler way? One that doesn't involve overhauling your whole life, but begins right at your front door. Cleaning your door with a specific water ritual in the last week of September could be the hidden secret to turning your home into a magnet for prosperity. Curious? Stay with me and discover an ancient practice that could transform your financial situation. Before we dive into the specific practices, it's important to first understand a crucial concept that many overlook. Your home is more than just the place where you sleep and keep your things. It's a living, breathing space that reflects your inner energy and the beliefs you hold about abundance and wealth. Often, people fail to realize that the energy in their home directly impacts their financial situation. Think about it. Your home is where you start and end your day, where your thoughts take root, and where your subconscious patterns about money and success are cultivated. The entrance to your home, in particular, plays an essential role in this. It's the symbolic gateway for wealth and opportunity to enter. In ancient cultures, the front door was always revered as a powerful portal. If it's cluttered, dirty, or disorganized, it can block the flow of positive energy, hindering your ability to attract wealth. On the other hand, if you treat your entrance as a sacred space, you open up a channel for abundance to enter effortlessly. So, the first thing we need to change is how we view our home. It's not just a shelter, it's a powerful magnet for abundance if we treat it the right way. Imagine how different your life could be if you cleaned your home, especially your entrance, with intention and purpose, viewing it as the gateway for prosperity to flow into your life. Now that we've established the importance of your home's energy, let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful rituals you can perform to shift that energy: the saltwater cleansing ritual. This practice is rooted in ancient spiritual traditions and has been used for centuries to purify spaces and remove negative energy. Salt water, in many cultures, is considered a natural purifier. It's believed to not only cleanse physical dirt, but also clear away any energetic blockages that may be preventing the flow of wealth into your life. Performing this ritual during the last week of September is particularly potent. September, being a time of transition as we move from summer into autumn, carries with it powerful energies of change and new beginnings. The last week of the month is a time when energetic shifts are at their peak, making it the perfect time to cleanse your space and invite new opportunities. To begin, you'll need to prepare a simple saltwater solution by mixing a pinch of sea salt with clean water. Every day for 7 days, take this solution and use it to spray or wipe down the entrance to your home. But here's where it gets interesting. As you perform this seemingly mundane task, your intention is what truly makes the difference. Visualize the water washing away any stagnant or negative energy that has been blocking wealth from entering your life. Imagine a protective shield forming around your door, keeping negativity out while welcoming abundance in. As you clean, speak affirmations that reinforce your intention. Say aloud, "My home is a sanctuary of wealth and abundance," or "Prosperity flows effortlessly into my life." These affirmations, combined with the physical act of cleansing, help to solidify your intention in the universe. You're not just cleaning your door, you're opening a portal for wealth to flow freely into your home and your life. Once your entrance is cleansed with salt water, we can amplify the energy with the ancient power of bay leaves. Used for centuries to attract wealth and good fortune, bay leaves carry a powerful symbolism that aligns perfectly with the practice of manifesting abundance. They are more than just an herb in your kitchen. They represent prosperity and success. After cleansing your door with salt water, take a bay leaf and soak it in water. This step is crucial because water is a conductor of energy, and by soaking the bay leaf, you're charging it with your intention. Use this water to gently wipe down the entrance of your home. As you do this, keep your mind focused on the abundance you want to attract. Visualize wealth flowing into your home with ease and speak your intentions aloud. Say things like, "Money comes to me in unexpected ways," or "I am open to receiving wealth in all forms." This practice is about more than just cleaning. It's a powerful ritual that helps you align your energy with the vibration of prosperity. The physical act of cleaning becomes a meditation, a way to connect deeply with your intention and invite wealth into your life. The power of this ritual lies in its simplicity. Just as Buddha said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." By combining this practice with positive affirmations, you are training your mind to focus on abundance. It's not just about physical cleanliness, but about energetically cleansing your space and inviting positive vibrations to fill your home. To further boost the energy of abundance in your home, we can use a combination of cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves. These herbs are known for their wealth-attracting properties. While cinnamon is often associated with prosperity and good fortune, cloves are known for their protection and purification qualities. By combining these herbs, you create a powerful energetic boost to your wealth manifestation efforts. Start by holding these herbs in your hands and focusing on your financial goals. Take a moment to visualize what wealth means to you and how it would feel to have financial abundance in your life. As you place these herbs in the corners of your home, especially in high traffic areas like the living room, kitchen, and hallways, imagine the energy of abundance spreading throughout your space. Visualize your home filled with positive, wealth-attracting energy that touches every corner. Let the herbs remain in place for 7 days, allowing their energetic properties to continuously cleanse and enhance your space. After the 7 days, it's important to respectfully dispose of the herbs by either burying them in the earth or releasing them into running water. This act of respectful disposal closes the energetic cycle and shows gratitude for the prosperity they helped attract. Throughout this entire process, it's important to maintain a mindset of gratitude. The law of attraction teaches us that the energy we emit is the energy we attract. By consistently focusing on gratitude, you align yourself with the vibration of abundance. After all, wealth isn't just about money. It's about cultivating a balanced, harmonious life where opportunities and prosperity flow freely. Each day as you practice these rituals, take a moment to reflect on the positive energy you're bringing into your home. How does it make you feel? Do you notice a shift in the atmosphere? Does your space feel lighter, more open and welcoming? These small shifts in energy can have a profound impact on your overall well-being and success. By visualizing your home as a sanctuary of positive energy, you are creating an environment that supports your financial goals. It's not just about changing your space physically. It's about shifting the energy to invite more prosperity into your life. As powerful as these physical rituals are, it's equally important to nurture the right mindset. This is where practices like meditation, journaling, and positive affirmations come into play. These tools help you to cultivate an abundance-focused mindset and keep your energy aligned with wealth. Set aside a few minutes each day to meditate on your intentions for prosperity. In this quiet space, clear away the mental clutter that might be blocking your financial success. As Buddha once said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." By calming your mind through meditation, you create an internal environment that is primed for abundance. Journaling is another invaluable tool in this process. Write down your financial goals, your desires, and your reflections on your journey. Each day, document the small changes you notice, whether in your mindset or in your external reality. These reflections serve as a tangible reminder of your progress and help to keep you motivated. Finally, use affirmations to reinforce your belief in your ability to attract wealth. Say things like, "I am worthy of financial success," or "Abundance flows effortlessly to me." These positive statements help to reprogram your mind and align your thoughts with prosperity. As we come to the end of this journey, it's clear that attracting wealth is not just about working harder or hustling more. It's about aligning your energy, your mindset, and your environment with abundance. By treating your home as a sanctuary and performing these simple yet powerful rituals, you create a space where prosperity can flow freely. Are you ready to start this transformative process? What do you think would happen if you treated your home as a gateway to abundance and invited wealth into your life? Let's continue this journey together. Click on the next video to discover more ways to turn your home into a magnet for success.